So my name is O.C. Welch. I'm a Ford dealer in Hardyville, South Carolina, with 159 acres behind and next door to the dealership. And I own Bacon Park Golf Course and Savannah Country Club in Savannah, Georgia. And we have total about 350 acres. So we're constantly working on something. I'm not on a tractor today. I'm here actually selling Ford trucks. Somebody asked me why I got one of these Gyro-Tracs, and I'm very familiar with them because I've been using them for, I don't know, 5 or 6 years, I guess. And, just at the golf course right next door to the dealership, I like the way it just takes everything down and the finished look. It's real slick the way it works. 250 horsepower. I have a GT-250. There's a lot of trees over the years that get tired, get diseased, get old looking. We lost some really nice trees. Beavers ate them up. They ate the bottom of the tree and that actually killed the tree. And, there's just trees that get struck by lightning. It costs a fortune to get a tree company out there to get rid of them. And this Gyro-Trac just, salt and pepper on there, and that Gyro-Trac will eat it up. And then next thing you know, the tree's gone. And it's a clean, real clean look. I really got tired of paying the daily rate to have somebody come out here and do this kind of work at either Bacon Park Golf Course or the car dealership, and they would actually, get a premium price because really there's no competition. So I figured, I would just buy my own Gyro-Trac. It's expensive, but the return on investment is really there. Anybody that has a golf course probably has opportunities to open it up. We go about 50 yards into the woods and just clear out stuff. Helps the golf course breathe. It looks better, feels better when you're out there playing golf. You don't feel claustrophobic. It's more open. So hire somebody to use it on a few of your holes. And if you like it, go ahead and buy one. If you have multiple golf courses, you would want to definitely have one that you can move around from course to course. The real deal is, as fast as you get rid of all this stuff, it does grow back. So it's not like it's one and done or two and through. You're going to keep using this. You're going to look for opportunities to use it. You never know when you're going to have a storm. 5, 6, 7 trees get struck by lightning. Usually costs you $2,000 or $3,000 a tree to get rid of them. Gyro-Trac just sitting there waiting on a lightning to strike a tree. So that's what I say. And the guys up there in Somerville, Daniel and the whole staff up there, Odette, all of them, they're real easy to work with. They're very professional. They don't sell golf carts on the side. They don't sell, tractors. They sell Gyro-Tracs, and they know their product, and they know their customers. And that's about as good as endorsement you can have. If you know your customers, that's really very important in any business. And these guys, like I said, this is their only focus. Gyro-Trac, Gyro-Trac, Gyro-Trac. I'm glad I met up with them. A fellow named Ryan Bishop is the one that hooked me up with Gyro-Trac. And nobody knew I was getting one of these things, but I did my research. Not so much price shopping. I looked at some used ones, and I looked at some foreclosures, different people. But I got interested in looking at Gyro-Trac on their website. And I probably studied it for 2 months and picked out a machine that I felt like would best suit us. They have all different sizes and stuff like that, but the GT-250 is the one I thought would be best for us. And no regrets. Glad I bought it, and I'm glad we have someone who knows how to use it. That's all I've got to say, and God bless America. Thank you.